Yes, welcome back to this channel. I'm happy to see you again in good health. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic. Five foolish things a woman can do that will destroy her home. Listen again. 5 foolish things that a woman will do or can do that will destroy her home. Number one, never dare your husband to beat you. Mommy, auntie, sister, please don't do that. It's number one home breaker. You are a useless man. You are this, you are that. You cannot even provide. Beat me now. Beat me. Let me see if I will not break this home down. Don't do that. We know that ladies are blessed with verbal powers, but use it in a good way. Why not pet this man now? He deserves to be pet. After going to work, encountering different things, and when he comes home, maybe he could not meet up with some particular things at home. Yes, we know things are hard, but instead of daring him to beat you, why don't you turn around and do another thing instead of daring? He may be a good man. He may be a daring, an understanding father, but once you keep daring him every day, one day he might be tempted to beat. And God forbid, nobody knows the outcome. So please, stop daring men. Stop daring your husband. Stop daring your partners to beat you. Instead, use your verbal power in a very positive way. Yes, so if you want me to beg you, I will beg you. Well, I've seen this is a number one home breaker. It has broken many homes. And I said, I don't enjoy seeing when homes are broken. Well, number one thing is that we men, God bless you now with mouths. I don't speak pidgin. God bless you now with mouths. But if you dey use your mouth, don't dare your husband to beat you, because one day he might just be tempted to do it. And devil, well, you might say it's devil, but it's still devil sha. Number two is denying your husband his conjugal rights. You can say it's your body. Yes, it's true. It's your body. Nobody is arguing that with you. But this is his right. Denying him his conjugal rights can even affect him. He may not concentrate, and he will be forced to, look outside a little bit. And when he does, trust me, he may not remain the same. Now you go still complain. So, auntie, sister, stop denying your husband his conjugal rights. Give him that thing he married you for. Give him. I know we are all humans. He may have stepped on your toe one or two times, but that is not the reason why you have to, deny him that thing. Because that thing is number one breaker of homes. Yes, there are different husbands, there are different men. Some may bear it, some may endure, but some doesn't have that endurance at all. If you say no, by the next thing is they are looking for another, side chick somewhere else. And all these girls outside, they are not smiling. If you dull, they will collect what belongs to you. So don't use that place as a weapon to men. Ladies, I'm talking to you. Don't use that place as a weapon for men, or as a trap, or to get what you want. Don't use that place. I'm talking to, because it may lead to breaking of home. So make I speak like this. It may lead to home breaking. Well, I'm particularly concerned about unity. It can bring disunity amongst couple. So please and please stop denying your husband his conjugal rights. Number three, never hire a maid that is more beautiful than you. You heard me well. You heard me right. Don't hire that maid with those curves with those facial expression. Yes, so everybody, all ladies are beautiful, but of course some are more beautiful than others. You know what I'm talking about. Some are more endowed than others. Some are more gifted than others. And as a woman, as a wife, as a mother, you should know your husband. You should know what he can endure and what he cannot. Don't tempt him in his own home, in his own house. Don't bring temptation from outside to home. So I'm not don't bring temptation to your home. So avoid those very, very beautiful endowed ladies to your home as maid. It can lead to another thing. I don't know, but it can lead to another thing, sha. Yes, that is my point. So I must not tell you everything. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. So avoid hiring those maids. There are other options. If really you must hire, yes, you can go for other options, maybe early or part-time work or something else. You can always work out something for yourself, but avoid tempting your husband in the name of hiring a maid. Yes. Number 4 is failure to commit your home into God's hands. Well, I'm not a pastor, I'm not a religious person, but I still believe that this is the ultimate thing you should do as a lady, as a woman, as a mother. Always commit your home to the hands of God. Yes, instead of running to your neighbor, running to your mother-in-law, running to your mother, running to your friend for counsel, for advice. Yes, sometimes it's necessary. But first of all, commit it to the hand of God. Tell God that behavior. Tell God that exercise. And see, I believe that this work more than going to your friend who is not married for counsel. I greet you well. Well, this is just an advice. This is my own take. But be wise. Be wise. The 5th one is keeping enmities with your in-laws. Hey, keeping enmities with your in-laws. It can break your home. That's your mother-in-law that you don't respect. That's your sister-in-laws, brother-in-laws. Please try and make peace with them. Because once they like you, you have gained ground in that marriage. Yes, so you have gained ground. But when you keep enmities with them, you may not enjoy your marriage the way you are supposed to. You may end up breaking your marriage. They may end up ruining your happiness and your marriage for you. So try and make peace with your in-laws, your mother-in-law, father-in-law, brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law, anything in-law, make peace with them. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Expect a more interesting video. Why don't we just share this video to the next person who might need it? Well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I promise to get you more interesting content related to this niche. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay strong till I come your way again. Bye.